Greetings, duelists and Splatoonists, and everyone else who decided to follow me. I just thought I'd go through how I roughly did my techno notes because in the shorts because I thought it'd be fun. So, well, let's get started. What you're first gonna want to do is get something to steal the the like whatever sound from. Something like ding, not like that. Don't want the yeah, no. More like ding. Don't want that one. Want to take like something like that. Control copy, select, delete, control paste. That is only 0.154 seconds. However, I want that to be a little longer, so want to be exactly 0.25 seconds long. See, it shouldn't matter too much with how long you select. Then you're going to want to go to selection down here, go to 0.15 as the starting and 0.20 as the ending. Right click. If you're on a mouse pad, you can just double click, I believe, or press with two fingers. Copy the right arrow button, control paste, or control V, and then control V, control V, control V, control V. You want to do this until you get a full second. So yeah, just control pasting. Now that I have all of it, I go to tempo change. The tempo changes are using high quality, by the way. And I put this back down to 0.25 seconds. That's good, but we want to get more compressed. We're overpowering it. We're repeating what we did last time with the 0.15, 0.20 copy arrow paste. You can see this is a lot of repetition. If you repeat this cycle enough times, it gets really good, but we're not going to go down that road. Control A, control repeat to repeat the high quality tempo change to 0.25. I believe that's good enough for this demonstration. So to finish this up, we go 0.15, 0.20 again, copy right arrow, and then paste it until it gets as long as we want. But it'll be a second, any second. Now we can just zoom out on this and see. It gets more refined the more loops you put it through. And once it's refined enough, you should be able to just change the tempo for like if you want to make it a 2 second long note, but you have to put it through enough times. And basically, you can make a techno sounding note of your own voice. This is the stupidity I have been through in making things within Audacity. One of the rabbit holes I randomly go down. Anyways, if you liked the video, consider leaving a like, leaving a comment saying literally anything, and subscribe for more stupid content. Because a lot of this stuff is really dumb. You can also, I guess, support me on Ko-Fi. That's probably in the description. Well,